everyone, Dr. Rodman here with Sports Chiropractic with my Hypervolt. And I like to use this every night before I go to bed, and it just really helps me to feel great in the morning. My wife jokes with me and she calls this my girlfriend because I'm with her every night. But she loves her too and asks to borrow her often. I get a question in my office very often: how do you use it on different body parts? So today, I'm gonna show you how you can use this on every body part. Hey guys, so that is the way to use the Hypervolt on all those different body parts. I didn't show you the neck because I don't think this is great for the back of the neck. I think it can be a little too hard. But as you watch other videos that we have, you've seen some ways to get on the neck. So I really love the Hypervolt. It's my girlfriend, can be your girlfriend too. These things are great to have at home, great for the whole family. I hope that helped to show you different ways to massage the different areas of the body with the Hypervolt.
Thanks for watching.